This usually follows JS or CSS, e.g. style.min.css. It means the code has been minified, all spaces removed to make it smaller for the web. It's hard for humans to read. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's unminify it. Keep watching until the end. This solution is entirely reliant on one powerful MIN file inspection tool that you can use for hundreds of other file issues and formats. A MIN file typically contains minified code, most commonly JavaScript or CSS. Minification is the process of removing unnecessary characters, whitespace comments from source code, without changing its functionality. This reduces the file size, leading to faster load times for web pages. These files are commonly used in web development to optimize website performance. Minified files are designed to be as small as possible while remaining functional. This is achieved through various techniques, including removing whitespace, shortening variable names, and optimizing code structures. While readable by humans, they are not intended for editing. The original, unminified source code is typically kept in separate files for development and maintenance purposes. Minification is a crucial step in optimizing web applications. Generally, MIN files are most compatible with code editors or Minecraft. This file type demands a dedicated niche application for proper interpretation and manipulation. Windows typically exposes only metadata, so proper reading relies on the software built for that data type. Right-click the MIN file and select Open With. Since this format can be handled by multiple tools, try the best match from the list first. Look for apps related to code editors or Minecraft. Then continue down the options. If your MIN file still refuses to open, stay calm. The failure means we need to check the fundamentals. Let's perform these 3 essential system and file checks immediately. First, use a code editor. Open the file in VS Code or Sublime Text to view the minified, compressed JavaScript or CSS code. Next, use an unminify tool. Copy the text and paste it into an online JavaScript beautifier to turn the cramped code back into a readable format. Finally, open in a browser. Drag the file into a web browser to see how the code affects a web page, or to use the developer tools to inspect it. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.